Are you thinking of buying real estate to rent it out or to fix it and then resell it? I'm going to give you a few tips when you are going in that direction. Make sure to find a realtor that has experience in working with clients who have been doing investments. Number two is buy in the right location. And number three, run the numbers because you want to make sure that the repairs and the resale costs will give you some profit. And if you're renting it, also find out what the rents are in the area that you're thinking about buying and make sure that your property taxes, insurance, and the mortgage will cover it's covered by the rent. So besides connecting with your savvy and experienced realtor, also make sure to reach out to your CPA and your financial planner and let them know what you're investing in so they can confirm with you if this investment fits within your budget and also fits your financial goals. So if you need some professional referrals, reach out to me and I'd be happy to make those connections.